Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to create an Instagram post on Canva. So let's get started. Open the Chrome browser, select your profile. Here you have to type canva.com, or you can just search Canva on Google and open the website. Now after opening the website, you have to create a free account using your Gmail account for registration, then log in on the Canva website. As you can see here, I've already logged in with my account. Now click on create a design option. Now here you have to type Instagram post. Okay, click on here. Now the best thing about Canva is it offers you 100 types of templates from which you can choose a design and create an Instagram post. For example, I want to create a post for my bike. Dirt bike. Okay, I will search dirt bike in the templates. As you can see here, I got 100 of suggestions from 100 suggestions from Canva. Now I will choose the post which I want to edit. As you can see here, I got the full template. For editing it, just double click on it. For example, I want to change this at the rate. Double click on it and write your text. You can also change the font of the text by click on here. Change the text of the font, and you can change the size as well as by maximizing and minimizing it. Now after editing all the stuff on your Instagram post, go to share and basically download it. And that's it. Now you know how to create a Instagram post in a few minutes. I hope you like the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and turn on the notification for more videos. I will see you in the next one.